All doing fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Abby, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly please subscribe. Also like, share, and don't forget to comment down below. I'm going to do day in my life vlog. Yes, I'm going to be very busy. Yeah, I'll be cleaning house. My house is very dirty. I'll be fixing here and there, and I hope I'll be able to finish everything today because I usually use 3 days to finish cleaning the whole of this house. Yes, so there is something which I bought yesterday and I want to unbox with you guys today. So let's get started. Okay, this is it. I bought in one shop called Ripamonti. Yes, it's near a place where I live. I just walked, and they sell shoes and bags. Yeah, and they are very expensive because they are designers. So okay, yeah, but I was walking there and I saw something which I loved. I said, let me just buy it. In fact, I'm in love with it. So let me just open and share with you guys. Ta-da! This is it. And that is it. Yeah. So let's open it. So we pack it. Yes, it's a bag. I wanted to buy like almost everything. I know I'm so crazy with shopping, but I just had to buy a bag. So cute. It's written Love Moschino, or I don't know how we pronounce it. Color red, which I don't have bags with color red. I had one, but it's old now. So it has this pocket here. I don't know what you can put it. You can just put your stuff. Let's see inside how it looks like. Yeah, I'm curious too because I didn't look yesterday. And so inside it's like this. It's very spacious. Also, it has this pocket here where you can put your stuffs. So it has this small one here, which has a card, Love Moschino, and also it has like a manual on how to clean this bag. If it rains, you should not put under the rain. That's what it's written. Yeah, I'm sure it's written in like all languages. Yeah, English, Italian, Arab, all. I cannot. Let me show you. They are here. Even Japanese. I don't know, Chinese. All of them. They are here. Russian. And so this one, I think I will just be it will be staying here all the time. The bag is very spacious. Now I stopped carrying diapers bag, so I need a little bit a big handbag where I can put his snacks. I can put like changing clothes instead in case there is something. Also, I can carry his hospital documents inside here because there are many. There are a lot of them. I can also carry his creams. I'm very sure it will carry a lot of stuff. And also, I'll be walking like this. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so cute. And that's all, guys. I feel so good. The color is wow. Just match with my lipstick today and also almost with my jumpsuit. No, I'm too excited for nothing. Okay, ciao guys. Now let's jump into other videos for about my day today. I wanna do a lot of things. I wanna clean this house. It's very dirty. It's very messy. Every time having a baby is not easy. Now I'll be cooking. Today I'll be making pilau. It's been so long since I cooked pilau. Yeah, I'm so excited. I know, right? There's this one friend of mine who lives in Germany. She went back to Kenya and I asked her to bring for me spices. So I asked her particular spices like pilau and roiko. Those are the only things that I had missed a lot and it's hard to find here. So when I went to visit her in Germany, I came back with those spices and I was like, wow, today I must cook pilau. First, I like preparing my food and then I do the rest while my food is cooking. Riso rosso. No, baby, no, basta. My son is that kind of a baby. When it's almost time for lunch, that's when he runs and picks snacks. And as a mother, I cannot allow that because later he will disturb me eating food. He will not eat good. So this is me here thinking like a clever mother. What should I give him? At least he doesn't continue disturbing me. And in my mind, it came up. You can grate for him apple. And that's what I'm doing right now. And come. It's ready. Just come and pick it. But I have to change my voice. At least he will not continue disturbing me and I will be able to work. È più buona di tutto. Vai. Another thing, this cleaner, it shouldn't lack in your house because it's very important. Plus, what you have to use is just cold water. You have to put there inside until the place is written maximum. And then that's it. Inside it has like a product for disinfecting floor. And if you have a small baby or pets, it's very nice for you to have it. Then it has a rag. Yeah, this rag one, yeah. You just have to put it and it came like
3 of them, which you have to exchange in case your floor is very dirty. You exchange it, and that's it. When you switch it on, you connect it on the electric. You have to wait until it's green, as you see there, and then you start cleaning it. You have just to press there when you see I'm pressing, and when you are cleaning, you just continue pressing. At least it will remove boiled water. And the water, it's very hot. It's boiled one. One day it burned my leg and my skin came out. In fact, it was very painful because it was vapor, hot vapor. I was like like a baby. I almost cried. But this item is very good. Yes, it's a cable one, but it's very good. This carpet, I always pass with that one on top, and it cleans very good hot water. In case you want to use like those product floor for cleaning floor, you can spray up. You can spray on the floor first, and then you pass this one on top. That's how I always do. If you feel like your floor is very dirty, because as for me, I always wash once per week my floor. So I sometimes I always put that cleaning product on the floor, and then I pass this one. It's very nice. How dirty it is. Okay, this flower my son and my husband gifted me during Mother's Day, and we went for vacation. When we came back, I found it was dying, and so I've decided to transfer it here and see if it will recover. Then I have to clean my balcony, sweep it, and then after that, I think our food will be ready. We have to eat, and my husband will be back from work. Yeah, it will be around 2:30. And then there is this friend of his. He has to bring for us firewood for the winter, which we have to organize them there down on the garden. But that I will have to help my husband when I'm done with the other things which I have to do, like hanging dresses, getting them from the laundry room and taking them upstairs and then hanging them also. And maybe we'll have to go out. I don't know. I will have to ask him later. Or maybe we'll have to go at our friend's swimming pool. At least we cool our body because it's very hot.
Quello è grande.
Questo sei a posto
Dammi.
adesso? Sì. Sì. Basta.
Sì.
3, 2, 1, via!
Oh, Johnny.
And guys, finally my day is over. Now let me just relax and enjoy the water, cool my body, and let's meet on the next video. Ciao guys, love you all. Bye bye.